Jim, Jim. Today is Wednesday, December 18th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. My name is Professor Cage, and I am one of the best crypto investor, researcher, and analyst on the freaking planet. So, what do we have today? Today, सबसे पहली बात, it is going to be a relatively short analysis क्योंकि I'm not gonna go through every single thing. मैं आपको आज कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल चीजें बताऊंगा कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ और आपको किस चीज पे अटेंशन पे करनी है, किस पे नहीं करनी. सो मेन थिंग, अटेंशन की जब हम बात करें तो आपकी सबकी अटेंशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज पे होनी चाहिए, विच इज बिटकॉइन. क्योंकि सिर्फ और सिर्फ बिटकॉइन मैटर करता है. ऑल ऑफ द शिट, एवरी दिस, ऑल दिस क्रैप जो आप देख रहे हो यहां पे, all of this is crap. Okay? If Bitcoin doesn't go up, nothing matters. So, you need to understand that everything, every narrative, every information we have जो कि हमारी बुल मार्केट को सपोर्ट करती है, it is around Bitcoin. No one even cares about Ethereum. No one cares about Solana, Doge, Sui, whatever. You can name all. आपको प्रमोट किया जा सकता है ये बताने के लिए कि Arweave is going to change the world, Jupiter is going to change the world, Ton is going to change the world. लेकिन अगेन ये सब आपको कौन बताता है? जिन्होंने अपने बैग्स आपके ऊपर डंप करने होते हैं. कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता. बिटकॉइन is the area of focus right now. और सबको ये बात बहुत क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड कर लेनी चाहिए. इस वक्त सिर्फ और सिर्फ बिटकॉइन मैटर करता है. जैसा आप देख रहे हो कि लास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज से बिटकॉइन इज गोइंग अप एंड ऑल्ट्स आर गोइंग डाउन. व्हाई? बिकॉज बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस. ऑफ कोर्स, मैंने आप सबको कुछ डेज से मैंने हर एनालिसिस में बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस को कवर किया है. मैंने आपको यह बताया कि आप ट्विटर ओपन करके देखो या अपने सभी फेवरेट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, सभी यूट्यूबर्स को देखो, तो वो आपको यह बताएंगे कि बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन, ऑल्ट सीजन इज हियर, बाय दिस ऑल्ट, बाय दिस ऑल्ट, बाय दिस ऑल्ट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दे डू दिस? सो दे कैन डंप ऑन यू. एंड मैं अकेला इंसान था जो आपको सब कब से यह बता रहा है कि नो, डोंट गेट सायोप्ड. Do not get psyoped. Bitcoin dominance is not breaking down. Yes, Bitcoin dominance was weak in this phase, लेकिन ओवरऑल आप देखो Bitcoin dominance 2 सालों से एक अप ट्रेंड में है. Bitcoin dominance is not breaking down. एंड मैंने एग्जैक्टली इस पॉइंट पे अपने एनालिसिस में कवर किया था कि Bitcoin dominance वापस रिवर्ट करने लगी है. एंड सो इट डिड. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, Bitcoin dominance can still do something like this, and then maybe at the end of cycle it is going to break down. Who knows? But not right now. There is no way. थोड़ा सा Bitcoin dominance में डिक्लाइन आता है एंड आपके सभी यूट्यूबर्स कहने लग जाते हैं कि बाय दिस ऑल्ट कॉइन. दे पता नहीं क्या क्या, लाइक आई डोंट इवन वांट टू. डोंट. दिस मार्केट इज बीइंग लेड बाय बिटकॉइन एंड बिटकॉइन इज द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स. ये सब बातें करने का मेरा ये मतलब नहीं कि आई डोंट प्ले ऑल्ट कॉइन्स, आई डोंट एलोकेट इनटू ऑल्ट कॉइन्स, आई डोंट प्ले मीम कॉइन्स. आई सर्टेनली डू. I buy meme coins, I buy altcoins, I make money, I get the fuck out. I don't care. I don't marry my bags because I understand the psychology. When everyone is betting on alt season, it will not come. सब लोग alt season पे bet कर रहे थे through all this phase. इस पूरे फेज में everyone was saying alt season is here. यहां पे सब कह रहे थे कि alt season is here. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin side by side. So here, yahan pe everyone was saying that here through this phase when Bitcoin was going sideways and Bitcoin dominance declined a little, सब लोग ये कह रहे थे कि alt season is here. Nope. Bitcoin. यहां पे सब कह रहे थे कि ऑल्ट सीजन इज हियर. नोप, बिटकॉइन. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? यहां पे सब कह रहे थे कि ऑल्ट सीजन इज हियर. दिस, नोप, बिटकॉइन. सो people have been betting on alt season. People have been saying that alt season is here, लेकिन alt season कभी भी नहीं आया. This is a Bitcoin super cycle. And if Bitcoin is to go into its super cycle, ये alts वाला ड्रामा अभी खत्म होगा. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि there is not going to be a time जब alts pump नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन alts pump करेंगे, लेकिन Bitcoin is going to lead all the way. Alts ने pump किया था ना यहां पे. Small window, very small window. How long? Let's go back to Bitcoin dominance. This was it. This was it. How many days? 24 bars, 24 days. Alts ने 24 days के लिए आउट परफॉर्म किया था बिटकॉइन को. Yes, they did. लेकिन overall, what is happening here? Can you see with your own eyes? So do not be psyoped. You can make money in alts. You certainly can, but उसके लिए systemized approach आपको चाहिए होगी. You need to identify when these things are happening. ये होने से पहले आपको पता चले कि when these things are happening. This is why I knew before. Whoops, I didn't want to show that. This is why इससे पहले I knew that this is going to happen because of my systems. When Bitcoin dominance was breaking down, I knew it that it is going to break down because of my systems. लेकिन मैंने एक बार भी नहीं कहा कि it is going to break down and all season is here all the way. No, it might be. जब होगा तब की तब देखी जाएगी. I don't want to bet my money on a losing situation. यहां पे अगर मैं बेट कर कि बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस ब्रेक करके नीचे जाएगी, तो मैं बेट कर अगेंस्ट द 2-year ट्रेंड ऑफ बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस अपवर्ड्स. So you don't bet against, you don't short the upwards trending, you don't long the downwards trending. Do you understand? So anyways, let's get straight into the data to see. By the way, usse pehle I'm gonna talk about this. Bitcoin broke above its range and now it is trying to hold good inflows. I'm gonna BTC inflow. I forgot the website name. What the fuck? And I forgot to pull these and ETF. Yeah, far side investors. Sometimes my brain isn't braining. So yesterday, no, not yesterday. Why is, yeah. So 17th, 16th पे we had high BTF inflows, जिसकी वजह से price was pumped through here. This was all in the New York session. And then if we talk about ETH, ETFs, Ethereum के भी there were decent, not much, but decent. So this is telling that main focus is on Bitcoin right now. And today was a good New York session as well. It drove the price to 108, but now it is pulling back. So we'll see if it holds. If it doesn't, it can very well go back into its range and chop around, build more energy and break again. और मैंने आपको ranges भी provide की थी कि 109 is the range जहां तक Bitcoin जाएगा and वहां से probably it is going to pull back. Okay, now this is the probability. जो data हमारे पास है उससे ये probability है. But we'll have to see what is going to happen. Now, what is happening on Ethereum? Chopping around, of course, in its range, जो कि मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था. यहाँ पे I think I did this, that this is somehow this is going to happen. And moreover, Solana पे मैंने ये ranges draw की थी. Here, I said कि Solana in ranges में से actually there was a third range जो कि मैंने delete कर दिया. It was something like similar to this. and something like this. So I don't have that now, but Solana is following my drawn path. And अब यहां से देखते हैं if it is going to go follow this direction या फिर this direction. Ideally, you would want to see this one. So we'll wait and see what is happening. And ये पंप क्यों आया? क्योंकि मैंने आपको 2 दिन पहले अपने एनालिसिस में ये भी बताया था कि SOL BTC ratio is extremely low and it needs to pump and it needs to save itself. So Solana एक बहुत short time frame के लिए Bitcoin को outperform करेगा. It is going to try to save its this downfall and then potentially might build its energy and go up to here. And probably this is going to be the last run of Solana. So right now कोई मकसद नहीं बनता कि आप लोग Solana होल्ड करो क्योंकि Solana Bitcoin के अगेंस्ट वीक है. When something is weak against the other asset, you do not hold that asset. So it might very well chop around and do something here. And then this can happen and this might very well be it for Solana. Best trade of Solana is behind us. उसको मैं further explain करता हूँ. And this might very well be Solana going to 500, 750 or even 1000. Who knows? This is outperformance against Bitcoin. Do you understand? So if we talk about here, Solana का जो momentum move था, this was the biggest trade of Solana, which is behind us. Solana 20x हुआ अपनी bear market से. Do you think it is going to 20x from here? No, it is probably going to 2 or 3 or 4x most from here. So it is not going to outperform Bitcoin because अगर हम Ethereum को देखें, Ethereum did the same. Ethereum in the last bull market, no, उससे भी पहले वाली, it ran, the last bull market actually, 2021, it ran up. The best trade of Ethereum was in the phase 1 and then it chopped around and then the decline of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Here, Ethereum is in a downtrend against Bitcoin from 2.5 years. So, Solana might very well be doing that. Up, do not get psyoped. And this is what is probably going to happen, just like here, what Ethereum did. So this, as you can see here, Ethereum ने यहाँ पे outperform किया था. And if we pull side by side what Ethereum did and what was this outperformance, this was the phase जब इतनी outperformance, I'm sure Bitcoin was going down through this phase. This is why Ethereum pumped and this was a massive outperformance against Bitcoin. लेकिन उसके बाद से Ethereum did go up in the dollar terms, लेकिन Bitcoin के against नहीं. As you can see here, मैंने बहुत बार ये cover किया है. If we, let's take it from 1 January. Okay, 2 January. 2 January से Ethereum did 246%. 2 January से here 28 January, 2 January. 2 January से here Bitcoin did 530%. So Solana might very well do something same. Solana यहाँ पे डॉलर टर्म्स में ऊपर जरूर जा सकता है, लेकिन बिटकॉइन के अगेंस्ट उसकी आउट परफॉर्मेंस डिक्लाइन करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, बिकॉज द बेस्ट ट्रेड ऑफ सोलाना इज बिहाइंड अस. So Solana can most likely go here, and Bitcoin dominant, Solana dominance against Bitcoin will still go somewhere around here, then chop around, and then boom, that is it. End. So right now, don't focus on Solana, don't get psyoped. Right now, of course, it is going to have some massive pump, लेकिन आपको ये देखना चाहिए कि what is the overall trend. So don't try to anticipate the trend if you don't have systems. If you do want to have systems, जब Solana की performance Bitcoin के against ट्रेंड में जाएगी, मुझे ऑटोमेटिकली पता चल जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ माई सिस्टम्स. वो सिस्टम्स बिल्ड कैसे करने हैं, आपको पूरा पाथ मैंने प्रोवाइड किया अपनी मास्टर क्लास में. दिस इज द लिंक जो कि आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिल जाएगा. एंड you can develop your systems. These are top secret elite class stuff जो कि आपको पूरे इंटरनेट पे कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. So I'm not going to explain. I explain these in all the videos and you are probably not going to understand unless you join it. मैं यहाँ पे सभी signals provide करता हूँ. I tell you what to buy, when to sell, everything. रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स, देयर आर डजन्स ऑफ रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. कंप्लीट बिगिनर से एक एक्सपर्ट बनने के लिए पूरा पाथ मैंने आपके लिए ले डाउन किया है एंड यू कैन बिकम एंड ट्रेड लाइक एलीट्स. सो जॉइन द मास्टर क्लास इफ यू वांट टू क्रश दिस बुल मार्केट. सो दिस इज इट फॉर हियर. उसके बाद ऑल्ट कॉइन्स बहुत अंडर परफॉर्म करे. अगेन बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस ने अपनी ब्रेकडाउन को बचाना था, दैट इज वाई. And probably this is going to continue and might very well Bitcoin chop around and then you are going to see some wealth effect going into alts. Then again, it is the Bitcoin show, guys. It is the Bitcoin show. Now, Kronos क्यों pump कर रहा है? Kronos is pumping because, let me see, because the showdown, it is a crypto.com promoted event and Kronos उनका crypto.com का टोकन है. दिस इज वाई इट इज पंपिंग, सो डोंट पे अटेंशन टू दैट. उसके अलावा सुई इज लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. सुई इज स्ट्रॉन्ग बट it reverted the whole move for today. So also don't get psyoped by Sui as well, क्योंकि Sui can very well do this and then this, something like this. So I do hold some Sui. If it goes somewhere in this area, I am going to take profits on Sui. And why I hold Sui? क्योंकि मेरे सिस्टम ने ये टोकन मुझे प्रोवाइड किया था. कहाँ पे? मेरे सिस्टम ने मुझे यहाँ पे ये टोकन प्रोवाइड किया था. मैंने यहाँ पे Sui बाय किया था. I bought it here, I bought it here, I bought it here. And सबसे पहले I bought it here. So I did not know that Sui is gonna do this. And why is this here, by the way? I did not know that Sui is gonna do something like this. मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए बाय किया था क्योंकि मेरे सिस्टम ने कहा था कि दिस इज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन एंड इंडीड it turned out to be the best performing token. And if Sui goes to around $6.5, I'm gonna take profits of my Sui holding. Then XRP dinosaur is rising. Fuck XRP. Nothing else. The whole market is going down. And even the memes, there is nothing actually. If I pull up Dex Screener, actually मैंने short analysis करना था, but it turned out to be long because I like to look at everything. Some random shit pumping. Pudgy Penguin, they released a token which is Pengu. So don't, like, seriously, don't buy it right now. You will get opportunity. जब opportunity आएगी मैं आपको बता दूंगा. लेकिन don't do it right now because you're gonna get destroyed. Don't get psyoped. ये चीजें market की जाती है to generate the exit liquidity to dump on you. Anyways, now gonna move into the glitch in the matrix dashboard to see what we have. And I went through the whole dashboard. I have listed out a few things I will cover. Futures open interest is rising and funding is low to neutral, actually wiped out completely. So ये हमें ये suggest कर रहा है that there are shorts building up, जो कि of course whoops shorts building up. Nope. Gonna open here. Shorts market को drive कर रही है. There are, yes, there are spot buyings, but right now shorts are the one जो कि market को drive कर रही है. And that is what Solana को भी drive कर रही है. कोई fundamental नहीं है behind Solana right now. It is the shorts which have built up, and Bitcoin has probably logged into what? Why? Gonna look at CoinEnk, by the way. So there are shorts building up above 108, and probably Bitcoin is going to take them down 1093 यहाँ तक जाएगा, and then there are a lot of longs building up to this area, and probably Bitcoin is going to pull back into its 100k level again. And if Bitcoin 100k level पे आए, तो it is going to be a good opportunity to buy. Where is 100k? Here. 100k is here. So probably Bitcoin is going to come back very soon into this range, and 100k pe it is going to be absolutely fantastic buy opportunity to open up some longs. या फिर मैं exact point भी आपको बता सकता हूँ, लेकिन I'll have to wait for that till tomorrow to get some additional information, and I will tell you that in tomorrow's analysis video. Then there are other things which are concerning me. Open interest is rising. Don't like to see that. Then new money. New money is yeah, it is fair enough. It has declined a lot. इसीलिए आप देख रहे हो कि there is not a lot of activity in the smaller and medium cap tokens, क्योंकि new money has declined, and वैसे भी it is holiday season जो कि एक seasonality effect play करेगा. Let's look at liquidity. So it has risen. So probably gonna be subject to some decline, and then going into January there is going to be some massive TGA reductions जो कि हमारी final leg में हमें push करेगी. And after that we are gonna have some sideways action जो जिस तरह से हमने देखा था in this year actually. So what else do we have? Market sentiment vote. Why is this all messed up? I want to see market sentiment vote. Rising. Okay. Yeah, because people bet on all season. Huh. Adjusted MVRV. This is the valuation indicator. MVRV, जैसा आप देख सकते हो, it has not a lot of room left. So probably it is going to, like, this is Bitcoin going to 120, 125, and then going sideways for 4-5 months, and then moving up. Super cycle narrative. Super cycle मैंने explain की. अगर आपको जानना है super cycle के बारे में, watch my super cycle video on YouTube. Then this is one thing, binary CDD, which is concerning me, which is showing very overheated zone. It has entered above this line. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि like this is the top, but this is something कि we are going to enter into the retard zone. So the final, basically the final phase of the market, जैसा आप देख सकते हो कि last bull market में it was around 30 to 40, maybe 50 days जब ये इस लाइन से अबव गया था उसके बाद टॉप तक. So that is one thing to be concerned about. Then next we have UTXO, which is rising a lot, जो कि indicate कर रहा है कि that there is going to be local peak, और यही मैं anticipate कर रहा हूँ कि it is going to be some local peak around this area, जिसके बाद Bitcoin is going to pull back, and then it is going to probably chop around and then break at the end of this year. Oh, sorry, not the end of this year, in the beginning of next year. Tomorrow, by the way, is FOMC, so it will be interesting day to watch, and I'll update you guys tomorrow what is going to happen. And what is likely to expect? Okay, retail investor volume is low and this is why we don't see any activity in the medium cap tokens. ये मैंने पहले भी cover किया है, यहाँ पे भी same चीज show हो रही है. Forget about that. NVT Golden Cross has entered into the overheated zone जो कि suggest कर रहा है local peak. Again, multiple metrics मुझे ये indicate करेगा that there is some local peak coming and 109k area is the one to watch and probably we're gonna move into 109k area. Then tomorrow after FOMC we're gonna dump and all the altcoins are gonna get destroyed if that happens. Let's see what happens. Then what do we have? Anything interesting there? Nope. And yep, some interesting tweets. By the way, gonna look at Velo charts if there is something of interest. Nope. Market volume is high. This is probably the ETFs buying. And then nothing interesting there. Covered that. Already covered that. And I'm gonna look at Solana liquidations real quick. 2 weeks. Then I'm gonna look at these tweets जो कि मुझे मिली हैं. So Bitcoin data on 6 December the delta top line crossed the terminal price. So this is some sort of top indicator and ये बता रहा है कि 2013 में these lines crossed before 50 days before Bitcoin topped. 2017 में they crossed 20 days before Bitcoin topped and 2021 में 21 days before Bitcoin topped. This gives us the average of 30 days. So 6 December से 5th January तक. So इसके मुताबिक 5th January में it is going to be the top of Bitcoin and then probably it is going to move sideways as per the macroeconomical information we have. And then this is the tweet जो cover कर रही है ISM के साथ बिटकॉइन के कोरिलेशन को. सो हम ऑलरेडी बिकॉज मैं एक प्रोफेशनल हूँ एंड वी कवर ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ दीज डाटा एवरी सिंगल डे. वी हैव बीन कवरिंग दिस फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो ISM के साथ बिटकॉइन का देयर इज अ हाई कोरिलेशन एंड जैसा आप देख सकते हो कि इट हैज नॉट इवन रिजन एंड वी आर ऑलरेडी इन अ बुल मार्केट. सो इट इज गोइंग टू राइज एंड yeah, that is incredible. So by the way, जो मैं आपको सब कुछ बता रहा हूँ कि okay, there is going to be local peak and then we're gonna go into sideways action and this and that. Dude, I am Bitcoin maxi. Okay, Bitcoin to $1 million. Do you understand? But क्या Bitcoin $1 million पे इस तरह straight जाएगा? No. It can do all sorts of weird shit. Look at that. जो आप छोटे छोटे ये पुल बैक्स देखते हो क्या वो आपको नजर भी आ रहा है? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. जिस तरह से अगर आप यहां पे देखो तो आपको ये फेज नजर नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन अगर आप इसको ओपन करके देखो, जूम करके, देयर आर ऑल दीज फेजेस. लेकिन जूम आउट एंड यू सी नथिंग एंड जूम आउट you see nothing. Bitcoin to 1 million and 1 million तक जाने के लिए Bitcoin can do this. It can do all sorts of weird shit. The thing is, you need to understand how to play the market. You need systems जो कि आपके लिए आपके trading decisions ले सके. Systems. Always join the masterclass. It is your last chance. You're gonna get absolutely destroyed if you try to play the bull market अपनी feelings के साथ. मैं आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए यहां पे जरूर हूं टू गिव यू द बेस्ट पॉसिबल एनालिसिस जो यूट्यूब पे एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. मुझसे बेहतर एनालिसिस यूट्यूब पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. बट यू नीड मोर हेल्प. यू नीड मी टू गाइड यू एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द वे, जो कि मैं आपको मास्टर क्लास में कर सकता हूं. इट इज पेड बट the price is for you to value the information you're gonna get, not for me. I don't give a fuck about your $35. So yep, we have covered everything. I wanted to look at Solana. Yeah baby, yeah. Run it up. Nuke them. So agar Solana move karna start ho, it is going to be slow, not very fast, but it is going to obviously take all these liquidations down. So yeah, I would be happy to take a long on Solana, by the way. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ये यहाँ से upwards चले जाएगा. It can take long time. ऑफ कोर्स ये मैंने पाथ्स जैसे ड्रॉ किए हैं एंड दिस इज अराउंड दैट एरिया जहां पे सारी लिक्विडेशंस फॉल करती हैं. इट कैन स्पेंड सो मेनी डेज मूविंग इन टू दिस और इट कैन इवन डू दिस, हु नोस. बट लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम व्यू के लिए इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन यू कैन टेक इट ऑन सोलाना, बट दैट वुड नॉट बी रिकमेंडेड. जैसा मैंने सबसे पहले आपको ये बताया था कि सोलाना इज अंडर परफॉर्मिंग बिटकॉइन. बट जैसे हमने सोल ईथ एंड सोल बीटीसी रेशियोज को भी कवर किया है, यू कैन क्वाइट पॉसिबली एक्सपेक्ट दिस टू शो सम स्ट्रेंथ इन द वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म. इट कैन डू दिस एंड दिस इज द रेशियो. नाउ जब मैं ये ड्रॉ करूं इसके बिटवीन भी सोलाना यूएसडी प्राइस में अप जा सकता है, लेकिन बिटकॉइन के अगेंस्ट इसकी परफॉर्मेंस कम होगी. सो लॉन्ग ऑन सोलाना वुडंट बी अ बैड आइडिया हियर. So yep, that's gonna be it for today's video and analysis. Don't do anything stupid. Just don't buy any altcoin right now. Like, it is so stupid to buy any. I mean, you could if you want to allocate your cycle bags. Okay, let's see what virtual is doing, by the way. It was showing very much strength. And मैंने आपको बल्कि 2 दिन पहले बताया था कि do not buy virtuals. डू नॉट बाय 2 दिन पहले मैंने आपको यहां पे बताया था समवेयर अराउंड हियर कि डू नॉट बाय वर्चुअल्स, इट इज गोइंग टू पुल बैक एंड yeah, sure it did. So if it does something like this, yeah, it would be a good idea to take a long on virtual. And the other token I was covering was grass, because no one has attention on grass and it's still showing some strength. So if it comes into this red area जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे mark किया, if it somehow falls here, I'm going to buy some grass because it is showing incredible strength for the future. Do not buy it here for by any mean, if and only if it meets the condition. So उसके अलावा अगर आपको डेली बेसिस पे ये जानना है कि what trade to take, how to buy, what to buy, in what proportion to buy, in what speed to buy and everything, मैं सब कुछ बताता हूँ अपनी मास्टर क्लास में. So that's gonna be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.